So we know one thing, that the earth is surrounded by layer of air, but this air is not distributed evenly all over the earth. In some places the pressure is low, and in some places it's high. Means in some places air is thicker and in some places air is thinner. So basically there are two factors. One is altitude and second is temperature. So we know one thing, that as the altitude increases, air becomes less denser. Okay, so when the air becomes less denser, it means the pressure is low at higher altitudes, and at lower altitude, the pressure is high. Now, the second factor is temperature, means as the temperature increases, the places with high temperature, this pressure is low. Now, why is it so? Suppose this is the earth. So, this part of the earth receives direct sun rays, so the temperature at this part is high. Now the air which is present here, that is also warm. So warm air expands and it becomes light, and then what happens, it rises up in the atmosphere. Now as it rises up in the atmosphere, what happens, there the temperature is low. Why is it low? Because air is less, and less air traps less heat. So when air molecules reach here, again they become cold, and then when they become cold, what happens? They sink or they subside on the both sides of equator at 30-degree north and 30-degree south. So now when the air is rising up from this part, so what type of pressure is created here? This creates low pressure at equatorial region, and where the air is sinking on those latitudes, the high pressure is created on both the sides. Okay, now here I just one more, I want to clear one more thing, that you all know that the earth rotates at the same time it revolves around the sun. Though these pressure belts are permanent, but they keep shifting little bit up and down because of the revolution of the earth around the sun. If the sun is here, and the tilt of the earth is like this, and it revolves from west to east direction like this. So at this position, what type of season we have summers, because this part is directly in front of the sun, and southern hemisphere has winters. In this position, which part is receiving direct sun rays? It's not equator, it's tropic of Cancer. At that time when this part receives direct sun rays, and here the temperature is high, this pressure belts little bit shift towards up, towards north. Okay, when the earth comes at this position, now equator is the place that receives direct sun rays. So the pressure, this low pressure is here at equator. When it comes to this position, now southern hemisphere is the place which receives direct sun rays, because at this position we have winters and they have summers. So these pressure belts, they shift little bit downwards. So this happens now. Let's come back to the topic. So as I said, this is low pressure belt. At 30-degree north and 30-degree south, it's high pressure. Now again at 60-degree north and 60 degrees south, the pressure is low. Why the pressure is low? That is because of the rotation of the earth. Earth rotates from west to east direction like this. So what happens? Because of that, the air gets pulled towards equator. So this area has comparatively less air pressure than 30 degree. So that is why this is also this latitude also has low pressure. This is equatorial pressure belt. This is subtropical high pressure belt. This is subpolar low pressure belt. And at both the poles, north pole, that is your 90-degree north, and south pole, which is your 90-degree south, again the pressure is high. Now why is it so? Again, that is because of temperature. Sun rays are less here, so that makes this area cold, and cold air is heavy, so it settles on the surface of the earth, making these areas high pressure belt. Now let's understand this with the help of this diagram. So this is the equator. What happens here? The air rises up, warm air rises up, because up the temperature is low, so again it sinks at 30 degree on both the sides like this. So here what type of pressure is created? Low pressure. And here the pressure is high on both the sides because of the air which subsides on both the side because of this. Again here we have low pressure, and this low pressure is because of the rotation of the earth, because the air, as the earth rotates, the air gets pulled towards equator, so making this area, these latitudes, comparatively lower than this. And at 90 degree south and 90 degree north, the pressure is again high. Now that is because of uh, temperature again, because these parts are very cold. So यहाँ पर क्या हो रहा है? What is happening here? It's creating this low pressure. Low pressure means the air is rising up from here, and it's again subsiding on both the sides like this. Warm air rises up and then it sinks on both the sides.